Yo, what's up guys? So, me and my friends, Mel and Daryl right there, we're gonna go to Alberta and we're gonna do some snowboarding. Yeah, it's gonna be a good trip. We're gonna be there for like 5 days. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be lit, fam.
So we're just waiting for the plane to come. The flight is delayed for like 2 hours. Yeah, so we've been here for like, I don't know, 3 hours already. So we're just chilling and yeah, just hanging out. Yeah, I'll see you guys at Alberta. We're gonna be landing out Calgary.
Not done yet.
Not done yet, no, but yeah, we're gonna be landing at Calgary. So yeah, I'll see you guys there.
Peace.
Alright guys, so we just touched down here at Calgary. We were delayed for another like 2 hours. Such a long delay. We got a rental car and we're off to the mall, and then we're gonna go to our hotel. Our hotel is all the way at Lake Louis, so which is pretty dope. And tomorrow, that's where the fun starts. We're gonna go snowboarding and all that. But anyways, we are off to the mall. I'll see you guys at the mall. Finally got to our hotel. It took about 2 hours just to get here. Anyways, the flight earlier was very ridiculous. We had another delayed. Our flight got delayed for total of 4 hours. It was just such a bad experience for me, and I guess for my friends too. I don't know if I'm gonna fly with Flair Air again. But anyways, we're at hotel right now. My friends are just currently at the hot tub right now and just relaxing. We're just gonna do that before we head to bed and get ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun day tomorrow and I can't wait. Just tune in to all the fun that we're gonna have. Anyways, this is it for the vlog today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.